It's hot as hell. Goddamn. Okay. Alright. Yo, what's good, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Okay, so in today's video, guys, we're gonna talk about my top 10 purchases ever. Things that I always gravitate towards, things that I love, haven't got tired of. These things back here. But first I wanted to address, guys, my inconsistency on YouTube on these uploads. Honestly, guys, I've been really bored of what I've been making. See, I love making videos. I love creating videos. I like being creative, but lately it's just been feeling like it's the same shit over and over and over and again. And I get it. You have your niche videos where it's hauls, pickups, recent pickups, and you know, styling videos and stuff like that. But like, it was just getting boring to me. And I watch YouTube just as much as you guys do. So like, you can guess, like, you get like burnt out of the same shit over and over and over again. So I've been really thinking about like, what can I do to like switch it up and, you know, like reignite that spark in me that I like. And I had some ideas. So if my content slightly changes, I hope you guys are still rocking with me. We're still gonna do, you know, the fashion stuff, but I'm gonna do more lifestyle and stuff like that. Hopefully, I'm thinking, so we'll see. So anyways, guys, sit back, relax, and I hope you enjoy the video. All right, guys, first top 10 purchase are these cold Buxton gym shorts in the heather gray color with like the slight raw hem on the bottom. I love these shorts. I wear them all the time, seriously. And I live in LA, so our weather year round is pretty warm. Winter's not really winter. We don't have seasons like that. But yeah, I'm always wearing these shorts. And you guys know I'm a huge cold Buxton fan, so I mean, of course, you're gonna get a few cold Buxton pieces. Hold on. Okay, not that much. But anyways, yes, I love these shorts. Had them for a year and a half now. Still hold their shape, super comfortable. And it's just like I got them yesterday. Seriously, they hold up so well. I'm telling you guys, quality, aim for that. All right, number 2 on my top 10 purchases. This is in no special order, by the way, guys, just grab and go. So these are my Levi 501s, my vintage Levi 501s in this earth tone brown color. It's so beautiful. And then it has like this distressed hem on the focus. You guys can see it. Yeah, it's just worn in, soft, just fits perfectly. And like, it drops perfectly on the shoe. It is so good. I got this from No Maintenance. It's a website reseller. I showed you guys like 2 videos ago, and someone messaged me asking if they're a scam. Listen, guys, I would never scam you guys. Everything I recommend is something I've personally bought and I like, so I would never do that to you guys. Got y'all back. So anyways, I was never really interested in Levi 501s, vintage to be exact, and then I got my first pair, and well, I have 2 more pairs now, so yeah, really like them. Highly recommend them. Try them out. All right, number 3 on my top 10 purchases, number 3, are my sand cargos. I love these cargos so much. They're so well made. They're so dope. All the different pockets it has, and it's just so well made. And also, it's versatile. What I mean by that is, on the bottom right here, I don't know if you can see these buttons, you can adjust the fit on how it drops on the shoe. It could be straight, skinny, flare, and baggy. So dope. Yeah, so dope. Anyway, so like if you wanted to switch up your style a little bit, you just adjust the bottom. And also, you know, like you're wearing boots, you're wearing tennis shoes, you're wearing freaking Converse, all those kind of, you know, different fits. Anyways, I just love these cargos so much. So Sanj, good job.
On the tab, don't know how to act. How you like that? How you like that? She a little bad.
All right, number I keep looking, I'm sorry, it's just I'm doing things in between like takes. So yeah, number 4 on my top 10 purchases is actually these shirts, my Cold Buxton shirts. I just got this one actually, the international one. Oh, the blue is so good. Oh, beautiful. Hey, the sizing is different though. If you guys want this one, and then the regular warm-up t-shirts, they are different sizing, so check. I didn't know, this is a little shorter. I don't mind, but okay, anyways. The Cold Buxton t-shirts, I have the black, I have the white, and I have the blue. Honestly guys, it's the fit, the feel, the slightly cropped, boxy, high neckline, everything. I just love it. I just love it. And I've tried so many different t-shirts, spots like Cause, ASOS, Zara, Uniqlo, and these are just my favorite tees. Seriously, I love them. And I know they're a little bit pricey, but I'm telling you, quality, like I said, quality. Get what you pay for. All right, number 5 on my top 10 purchases are these cold laundry overshirts. So they are the same overshirt, but obviously different colors. But this was like a previous season and this was a season later, and they just made slight differences, like the hem on the cuffs. It doesn't matter, they're just the same overshirt, but these are so good. I'm always wearing this one, I'm not gonna lie. I love this overshirt. I get a lot of compliments on this. And this one, the blue, I feel like a celebrity when I walk around with this. I just get, so many compliments and stares and like, oh, it's so nice, it's so good. And yeah, I love this blue. This blue is so good. This gray, this is my go-to overshirt. I love Cold Laundry. Like next to Cold Buxton, I love Cold Laundry. I love the minimalist style. Just everything they do over there is dope. So yeah, these. All right, number 6 is this varsity jacket from Jaded London. I love this jacket. I love the green, I love the white, the brown in the inside. It's so dope. I don't know if this is just gonna be a trend. I don't think so. I really think this is gonna like stay in style. I don't know, I love these. I like these a lot. It's just so dope. And like I'm putting this on my list because I barely got this, but I worn it so many times. It's so good. And yeah guys, so yeah, varsity jackets. But you don't have to go to like buy it from Jaded or any other like brand stuff. You can check your local thrift. They'll be there too. You might get lucky. But honestly guys, yeah, varsity jackets. Number 7, got it. Didn't even have to count. All right, number 7 on my list is this Ronning worker jacket. I love this jacket. The fade, slight cropped, and this sounds. All right, then we're just gonna ignore that. Okay, lost the buddy, but okay. This worker jacket from Ronning. Yeah, it's so good, warm. It sells out so quick too. So if you guys want this, you're gonna have to be like on point. I got it in a size medium. Yeah, medium. And I just like the really cropped fit. But if you wanna like slightly longer, go for a large. But yeah guys, I love this jacket. I'll post some like pictures up here that I'm me wearing it, but I just love this jacket. Highly recommend it. And I broke my hanger, so I'm gonna go get a new one.
I was finna write a song, but how I've been hella stressed. But I looked in your eyes and noticed I'm hella blessed. Staring at you on this airplane, I ain't worried about nothing, cause you got me feeling like the Wayne Wade in 03. Yeah, you and me, we got the heat.
All right, we're going into the non-clothing part and we're going to the shoes. I only got 2 pairs of shoes that I really fuck with. So here we go. Number 8 on the list are my boots from Cause. They are very similar to the Balenciaga boots. Show them right there. Yeah, I get a lot of wear out of these, a lot of compliments, and a few of you guys on Instagram bought them too, and you said you guys love them too. They're a little pricey, but I'm telling you, I've gotten a lot of wear of these. They're great quality. So shout out to Cause for making such like good dupes to the Balenciaga ones. Love them. Right there. So yeah, Cause boots.
looking far back. Kidding and kill, I need all that. Let them call, but don't call back. Let them call, but don't. I don't want you saying that you had a better chance without me. That you wish you had made plans without me. Look, I hate to make this.
All right, number 9 on the list are these high Chuck 70 Converse. These aren't just normal high Chuck 70s. These are the Essentials Fear God collab. I love these shoes, seriously. Like, if you can get your hands on these, StockX or something like that, I would highly recommend them. I just like the loop around right here. Go through the hole right here. The loop around on the top, and this it's black, and this is like a cream color. I love these shoes. Seriously, wear them all the time. Got a lot of wear out of them. These are dope, and I love high Chuck 70s in general, but these right here, highly recommend. All right, number 10 on the list are my accessories. Honestly, so all these right here, I have so many accessories. Like, accessories are my thing. I'm gonna get a little closer so you guys see. And also this hat too. This hat's really dope. I wear this hat a lot too. This is For Those Who Sin. Like a little clip on the side. They're a LA brand out here, independent artist. He's dope as fuck. Check him out. Put it down in the description. But yeah, and then all my accessories are pretty much from Vitaly or Room 13. But yeah, my accessories, wear them every day. I don't leave the house without accessories on. Seriously. Changes the outfit, literally a basic to good outfit. It just gives it that extra thing, that extra pop. So yeah, accessories, hats, all that. Best purchases. All right, guys, that's it. That's all I have for you guys. Thank you so much for stopping by the channel. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you want more content. I love you guys. Take care of yourself, take care of each other, and catch you next one. Peace.
Just to feel like this, it took a long time, yeah. Just to feel like this, it took a long time, yeah.